G'day folks, this little quick video is for Stan. I've got a message from him asking, I think he means on how to set when you first turn your GPS on to have your default page. So we'll switch the device on, give it a moment to load up. Okay, on this particular unit, the map page is the default when you first start it up, and I think, Stan, you mean how to change your default page, but I'll show you how to do it. Okay, using your page button, highlight the main menu. You can see setup's already highlighted, so we press enter. Now, using the big rocker in the middle, we highlight page sequence. You press enter. Right here, you can see at the top, if you remember when we first turned it on, the default was the map. So as we scroll through with page, it'll go in order: main menu, compass, trip, computer, satellite. So just for this demonstration, say I want to make my trip computer will be our default page when we open it. So using the rocker, highlight the trip computer, enter. See, it says now move, insert, remove. So we want to move it, so we press enter. And now we'll take it to the top, enter. So now we've got the sequence: trip computer, map, and so forth. So we'll turn the unit off, and then we'll turn it back on to see if we've done it. As you can see now, trip computer is now the default setting. As you know, for page and or quit, page goes to the right, quit goes to the left. I hope that helps, Stan. If not, you might have to be a bit more specific, but there you go. Thanks for watching.